2025 is here, and the ways we earn money are changing faster than ever. From AI-powered businesses to digital side hustles, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful ways you can start making money in 2025. Whether you want a side hustle, passive income, or even a full-time career. Let's dive in.
AI is booming in 2025, and you don't have to be a programmer to profit. Platforms now pay freelancers to build AI prompts, create chatbot flows, or train custom models for businesses. Companies want quick AI solutions, and you can provide them.
Short-form content is exploding. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Using AI editing tools like Runway, Pictory, and Canva AI, you can pump out high-quality content quickly and monetize through ads, brand deals, or digital products. Print on demand is still a moneymaker in 2025. You design once, and the system prints and ships on demand. Niche stores in anime, sports, or motivational apparel are killing it.
Real estate used to require big money, but in 2025, fractional investing apps let you own a piece of property for as little as $100. Imagine earning rental income without buying a whole house. Gamers rejoice. Play-to-earn platforms and NFT-based games allow you to earn tokens, skins, and assets you can trade for real cash. It's fun and profitable if you choose the right games. If you have knowledge in fitness, design, coding, or even personal finance, you can monetize it. Online courses and coaching sessions are a booming $300 billion industry in 2025.
Businesses are struggling to keep up with TikTok trends, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. If you can handle posting schedules, create engaging content, and respond to comments, small businesses will pay you monthly retainers. The metaverse isn't dead, it's evolving. Remote offices in VR allow people to collaborate globally. Roles like VR event hosting, 3D world building, and digital customer service are growing. Platforms like Substack and Beehive let you earn from your writing, whether it's sports analysis, investing tips, or self-improvement. Subscribers pay monthly for valuable insights. The stock market in 2025 is being shaped by AI companies. ETFs that track AI innovation are a safer entry for beginners, while direct stock investing in giants like NVIDIA, Microsoft, or new AI startups could multiply your money. So, there you have it, 10 ways to make money in 2025. Whether you want fast side hustles or long-term investments, opportunities are everywhere. The future belongs to those who act today. Which of these ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.